After spending an amazing time in Argentina's Fitzroy National Park, we wanted to see how Torres del Paine compared across the border in Chile.
Hello.
Hi.
Where are we?
I don't know, we're in a bus somewhere between Argentina and Chile.
And we are on a bus going to Puerto Natales. Beautiful sunny day.
In the week we visited, we were hit with an unusual snowstorm, despite being there in winter. We didn't see the majestic mountains inside the park, but we did see the herds of guanaco, numerous condors, and groups of rheas. It was still a nice experience and very beautiful. Maybe next time.